Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Amazon commercial 3-shelf utility cart and these Rubbermaid dishwashing boxes. So on top I got the 7-gallon and in the middle I got the 4.6-gallon tray. But first let's talk about this utility cart. It rolls really nice. It was really easy to put together. You just need a hammer sometimes. These pieces are going to be, you kind of like hammer them onto those. And it's very easy to install it. No other tools other than a hammer. So I like that it just rolls. It's got really, really nice wheels. And they do roll. They look heavy duty. None of them have locks on them. All 4 of them turn. It's got a nice handle, but this is just the right size. I like that the handles have a little bit of grip to them, and you can put some like utensils or stuff on both sides. And there is a lip on all the trays. This one's got a little bit bigger lip. So I'll be using these to put the like dirty dishes in. That way I can bring them over to the sink and do them. I got the smaller one also. You can see there's a size comparison. So the 7-gallon inside looks like it's about 19 inches. Depth wise, you're looking at about 6 1/4. And then front to back about 15, whereas the smaller one, front to back is about 12 3/4 by about almost 17 3/4. Depth wise, you're looking at about 4 1/2, almost 5. So these are just really sturdy. I really do like these. They're lightweight, but yet they're really sturdy. Let's go over the size of the cart. So to the top of the top shelf, about 34 1/4. You know, the shelf area is about 29 inches by about 19 1/4, but from handle to handle is a little bit farther. And from handle to handle is almost about 40 inches. Let's do from shelf to shelf. So that right there is about 11 3/4. This one looks like it's a little smaller, about 11 inches. Off the ground, looks like it's about 5 inches. And again, these hold 400 pounds. And you can tell it's lightweight, but it's very heavy duty. This is not flexing at all. I think this is just a great combination. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.